Howdy, dear friends of Zarana DIY. Hope you're doing so well. As you see, today we are going to fix the two plates together and make our bead bag completed. As you see, I put something between them. You can put a book, a piece of cloth, or something between the two parts, and it will keep it until that you finish the process. You need 2 or 3 meters at least, and start from the first bead in the upper part of the lower plate, and as you see, the first bead of the upper plate is the one that we put a bead between them and make it as a common bead that is cross. And also we go through the whole process of completing the walls or edges of such plate bags, and you can complete them in this way. It is the best way that you can do, but you should keep something in your mind that sometimes the height of this wall shouldn't be very high, and the distance between the two plates shouldn't be very much, and it gives you a very bad shape. It tends to go inside the bag and it doesn't stay very well. As you see, I just used two types of beads. One of them is sugar bead that is cubic, and the other one is like oval, and I used the ones that are oval in the process of connecting the two plates together. And the whole process is this. It took at least 30 minutes to complete this process. Be patient, and also you should keep in your mind that all the process of completing this last step is very important part. Don't miss any bead at all. For the handle of this kind of bag, you can use a ring in the sides, and also you can make it with two types of handles. For example, one with these lovely beads, or the other one with the steel chains, and it depends on the one that you want to make, or the customer, whatever they want. I myself like it to give it to my customer with the two types, and it is very beautiful if they can use it in 2 or 3 ways. And also I used 2 plates in this bag, half a kilogram of cubic beads, and also 200 grams of oval beads, and also at least 30 meters of fishing line number 50. These are the materials. You can use some chain, and completely depending on whatever you want to make. These are the materials you ask. You can ask me any question if you have in the comments of my channel or my Instagram page in the same title, Zarana DIY. And also there is another type of making these bags that are rectangular, or the other shapes that will be taught to you in the next tutorials. Please subscribe to my channel if you love them, and also I will make you some other tutorials, whatever you want, depending on the comments and questions that you have. Hope you love it. and enjoy it, make it, and if you made it, please send the pictures to me. It will be my pleasure to see whatever you made with beads and in your home as a DIY, and enjoying this lovely art. These are the trends of 2020 and 2023. In order to keep those plates safe, please don't uncover the plates until that you want to give it to your customer, and also keep it safe. Bye.